About squaring a binomial. Let's have this one. X plus 3 squared. So, to get the product wherein given is a square of a binomial, we have to use a rule. And what is this rule? First, we have to square the first term, then plus twice the product of the first and the second terms, then plus the square of the last term. Okay, so let us apply the rule. X plus 3 squared. So we have to first square the first term. So x squared plus twice. So 2 times the product of the first and the second terms. So 3 times x, or x times 3 is 3x, plus the square of the last term. 3 square is 9. Simplifying, we have x squared plus 2 times 3x is 6x plus 9. Let's have another given. Say we have x minus 1/2 squared. So applying the rule, we have to square the first term. So our first term is x, so x squared plus twice, so plus 2 times the product of the first and the second term. So that is x times negative 1/2 is negative 1/2 x, plus the square of the last term. 1/2 square is 1/4. Simplifying, we have x squared plus, so we have 2 times negative 1/2 is negative 1 x, or simply negative x, plus 1/4. Given square root of x plus 4 squared. So let us square the first term. We have the square root of x is x, plus twice the product of the square root of x and 4 is 4 times the square root of x, plus the square of the last term. We have 16. Then simplifying, we have x plus 8 times the square root of x plus 16.